So we have discussed that how important it is to keep all our body parts clean, right? If you want to be disease free, if you do not want germs to enter into your body, if you always want to be healthy, disease free, you should keep your body and your body parts clean, right? So we have discussed how to keep various body parts clean. So teeth and tongue is also our important body part, right? So we need to keep our teeth and tongue clean in order to stay disease free. Now how can we do that? So we know that whenever we eat food, what happens? Some small bits of food get stuck between the space of our teeth. Now what happens if these food particles are not removed? They can lead to plaque buildup. Okay, they can lead to plaque buildup, which causes tooth decay. Okay, or tooth cavities also, right? And if you don't clean your tongue, what will happen? It may cause bad breath. Okay, so you should clean your teeth and you should clean your tongue as well. Now how can you do that? Simply by brushing teeth twice every day. You should brush your teeth properly, and also not only once but twice a day. Okay, then not only brushing your teeth but also cleaning your tongue. So there are tongue cleaners available. You can use tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. See, in this way. So you should brush your teeth twice a day, at least twice daily, once in the morning and once before going to bed at night. And then use your tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. Okay. Then rinse the mouth, especially after meal. Okay, you have to rinse your mouth whenever you eat something. Then avoid eating food that is too hot or too cold. You should not eat too hot or too cold food. Okay, avoid eating chocolates and other sugary food stuff. Why? Because sugar increases acid production, which erodes the enamel of our teeth. We have studied the structure of tooth, right? The structure of teeth. We know that it is covered with enamel, and what happens if we eat too much of chocolates or too much of sugar? It increases acid production and the enamel gets eroded. Okay, so you should avoid eating chocolates and other sugary food. Then always visit a dentist at least once in 6 months for complete dental checkup. Even if you feel that your teeth is good, even if you are taking care of your teeth, you should visit a dentist at least once in 6 months. Not every day or not every week, but at least once in a 6 month. Okay, so these are the things by which you can keep your teeth and tongue in a good condition, in a good state.